You think this is a video, but nope, it's actually my desktop. Want to make your Windows desktop look this clean and alive? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a live wallpaper using a free app and make your desktop feel like it's from the future. First, we open the Start menu. We type Microsoft Store, then we click to open it. We search for Lively Wallpaper. There might be several apps with similar names. We make sure to install the one with this exact logo. That's the official app. We click Install. Then we wait for the download to complete. When it's done, the Install button will turn into Open. Now we launch the app. We open the Start menu again. We type Lively Wallpaper, then we click on it. We'll see several built-in animated wallpapers ready to use. If we like any of them, we hover over one, then we click it. It gets applied instantly as our desktop background. Let's try a YouTube video as our live wallpaper. We open our browser, we go to YouTube, we search for something like Live Wallpaper. When we find one we like, we click on it, then we right-click the address bar. And we choose Copy. Now we switch back to Lively Wallpaper. We click plus Add Wallpaper. We click on Enter URL. We delete the default link. We right-click and choose Paste, then we click the arrow next to the URL box. We enter a name for the wallpaper, and we click OK. Now it's set. Just make sure we're connected to the internet, since it's streaming from YouTube. If we want to use a local video file, we click plus Add Wallpaper. Then we select Choose a File. File Explorer will open. We navigate to the folder where our video is saved. We click on the video. Then we click Open. We enter a name. Then we click OK. And the wallpaper is applied. Let's make the desktop cleaner. First, we right-click anywhere on the desktop. We go to View, and we uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Next, we right-click the taskbar. We choose Taskbar Settings. In the Settings window, we click Taskbar Behaviors. We check the box for Automatically Hide the taskbar. Now it stays hidden, unless we move the mouse to the bottom. And that's it. Our desktop is now clean, animated, and a lot more enjoyable to look at. We can still open any of our apps just like before by using the Start menu. It's basically like using a phone, but on your desktop. If you want to organize your apps like mobile icons, drag them, group them, or even swipe, let me know in the comments and I'll make another video for that. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more clean setup tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.